Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be drop testing and reviewing the grip case by dbrand for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now today we actually have a special guest here on the channel, and I thought, you know what, who better to be a part of this video than the king of case reviews himself, Technically T.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Technically T, man. Of course, a huge shout out to my dude Josh Quinones for letting me be a part of this dbrand grip collab video. Now, before we get it, man, I'm gonna let my man Josh handle all of the drop tests. I'm pretty sure he got you covered. I'm here to let you know why this dbrand grip is one of my top cases.
So you heard him. Before taking a deeper dive into the case itself, we're gonna go ahead and head outside and do this drop test. All right, so I've made my way outside, as you can see here, with the dbrand grip case on this iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, I like to do my drop test a little bit different than other people. I like to do kind of like real world situations, in case you haven't seen any of my previous drop tests before with other devices, because anybody can just, stand here and do a controlled drop like that. But, for me, I like to do real world situations. So let's go ahead and get this drop test started. Now I do want to mention I am using a tempered glass screen protector on the display, which is actually not as strong as the actual screen on the phone itself. So if this tempered glass screen protector doesn't break, then this case is really doing its job. So let's go ahead and get this real world test started. First test, you're sitting down with your friends, talking, sitting down with family, you got your phone on your lap, you're getting up, you forget it's there. Ooh, it falls face down just like that on a hard concrete surface. Look at that. Let me go ahead and give this a quick wipe down, because you do see my fingerprints and all that, but there is no cracks, no scratches, just a small air bubble from when I installed this screen protector. But other than that, it is looking good. The camera modules are looking good as well. The lenses all look great. So next test, we're gonna go ahead and just do, a little walking test. You're about to put your phone in your pocket, you missed, woo! Okay, so it looks like it kind of landed on the display like that and then bounced over to the back, and it looks like it is good. Look at that. And just so you know, yes, this is a working device. No dummy unit here. We don't do that here on this channel. We like to have fun with real devices here. Okay, so next, you're talking on the phone, right? You're walking along. Maybe you happen to trip or something and accidentally drop the phone, lands on a hard concrete surface just like that. The cameras are looking good and the display is still looking good. Look at that. So just with those 3 tests alone, this case already did a good job at protecting the device. And I could probably throw it around like this and just have fun, throwing it around. Here we go again, here we go. All right, ready? Let's go a little bit higher, ready? Woo! All right, let's check it out. Even after all that being tossed around, still looking good on the display, still looking good on the cameras. Let's go ahead and see how the phone functions. Still working good, nice and smooth, performing like a boss. Let's go ahead and test out the camera. All lenses seem to be working, looking good. I can still take a picture. So, as you can see, this dbrand grip case right here is no joke when it comes to protecting your device. And you're probably not gonna even drop this if you're talking on the phone like this, because you got some good grips on the side, which is going to prevent you from letting this even slip out of your hand. But like I said, this is just in case if you happen to, trip on a rock or something and drop it like that on the floor. Oh, I could do this all day. Woo, baby, I love this. I love this. Like I said, we just love having fun on the channel right here, but it is looking good. Again, the dbrand grip case. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Let's go ahead and head back inside, take a closer look at the case and the device itself.
I'm here to let you know why this dbrand grip is one of my top cases. And speaking of top cases, I actually did a top 10 for my iPhone 13 cases, and this actually made number 3. And you already know that's not an easy task. And they did by number 1, delivering on the name, and we got to talk about grip. When it comes to the grip all the way around it, man, they absolutely knocked it out the park with this micro dot texture that leaves you nowhere on this case feeling like it's going to be slippery. And let's be real, that's where a lot of case companies fall short. There's some slippery cases out here, but that's not one when it comes to the dbrand grip. And another one is how it fits on the phone, man. I am a stickler for the way a case fits, and when it comes to the grip, I don't know if there's a tighter fitting case on the market. It absolutely feels amazing. Nice and clicky buttons. And do we even got to talk about how you can customize the back with the skins? You can either rock this white marble right here. You can go carbon fiber, matte black. You can go a robo skin. Whatever you want for the dbrand grip, they got you covered. Head to the website, customize it like you want. And of course, if you are a MagSafe user like myself, you dropping down on MagSafe charging, it actually works perfect. So the dbrand grip, easily one of my top cases, and I think it will be for a while because they're knocking out the park with this design. But let my man Josh get back to it.
Okay, so he pretty much just hit that right out of the park. I mean, I don't even need to say anything. You know what? Video's over, video's over. No, I'm just playing, but seriously, I agree with everything that he said 100%. I mean, I can definitely recommend this case right here, the grip case by dbrand. Like he said, the grip all the way around the case is perfect. You don't have to worry about this device slipping out of your hand. And if for whatever reason it does happen to accidentally slip out of your hand or fall out of your hand, I mean, you got the protection that you need. And this case fits like a glove. You don't have to worry about it falling off of your phone in case you do happen to drop it. The buttons are nice and responsive. You got precise cutouts for the speaker, microphone, the charging port, and even that little toggle up there at the top left corner. And then when it comes to customization, you don't ever have to worry about buying another case. You can continue using the same exact case and change up the look whenever you want, simply by just swapping out the skin in the back. So I can definitely recommend this case right here to anybody looking for a good protective case with some style for your device, for your iPhone 13 Pro Max, or for any other device that they have this case available for. So huge thanks to Technically T for helping me out with this video. Like I said, he was right on with everything. If for whatever reason you are not subscribed to his channel, yo, first of all, what the heck are you doing? Head on over there and subscribe to his channel right now. I'll leave a link down in the description below. And also, if you are interested in this case right here, I have a link for that down in the description below as well. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.